In construction, safety on the job site is vital. Toolbox talks are a great way to make sure that everyone is on the same page about potential hazards and how to avoid them. Using Autodesk Build for your toolbox talks can make this process even easier. First of all, Autodesk Build gives you a central location to schedule and manage your toolbox talks. This saves time and makes sure everyone knows when and where the meetings will be, as all invitees automatically get an email notification once they've been invited. And since the meetings can be recorded and documented, you can easily track attendance and make sure everyone gets the safety information that they need. Using Autodesk Build can also help you comply with safety regulations and reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. By recording your toolbox talks, you can show that you're taking safety seriously and doing everything you can to make sure your workers are safe. All action items can be tracked in follow-up meetings, and documents, images or videos to meetings can be attached to provide additional information or context. Another great thing about using Autodesk Build is that it can improve communication and collaboration on your projects. By keeping everyone in the loop about safety issues, you can make sure everyone is working together to stay safe. If you're in construction and you want to make sure your workers are safe, using Autodesk Build is the best option for your team. It's easy to use, saves time, and can help you comply with the safety regulations.